standing here at the corner of 14th Street and First Avenue in Manhattan, New York City. Temperature right now is 58 degrees at 9:03 a.m. And and that's September 15th, 2023. And I'm seeing someone have a house right here. They have a public bench here for the bus stop. And somebody put up a house right here. Retail house. Take a look. We really on First Avenue, but that's 14th Street. That's East 14th Street and First Avenue here in Manhattan. Waiting on the select bus. Just paid for my ticket in the machines. And that's Mount Sinai up there. Somebody jaywalking. You can see somebody jaywalking, New York City style. And we're waiting on the bus. Seems like the bus is coming. The bus is coming. You can see the bus coming right now. Like in the movies, steam coming out of the ground. And we just waited. That's the crosstown 14D bus heading to the west side. I'm gonna get on this bus, make my way uptown. So let's just wait and get on the select bus. So until next time, remember, I needed to travel. I traveled to this location. You saw what I see when I'm waiting on the bus. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. I'll be back. At Release. Goodbye.